Hey guys, what's up? Neil here. Good evening. Magandang umaga sa mga kababayan kong Pilipino. Anyways, if you are not familiar with the project that I started about 2 weeks ago, I'm gonna paste the link so you can watch how I started the Whoop project. And I decided on a name which is RC Micro Whoop 25, which is 2.5 inch Micro Whoop. And the reason why I started this is because I was actually a little bit disappointed with the Cinelog 25. It's the first drone that I bought, and quite honestly, the parts that I use here is actually from the Cinelog 25. So that motor is a 1404 4500 kV motor, and the flight controller, which is also a combination, I think it's called stack. It is an AIO 20 amp 4-in-1 ESC, and it's got a flight controller as well. And Cadex Vista, that's standard, right? And then this is a 3-bladed prop. And like what I said, I was quite disappointed with the flight behavior of Cinelog 25 outside. When there's no wind, it flies really well. I'm quite happy with the flight performance. However, when there's wind, like maybe about 5 miles per hour or 8 miles per hour or anything above 5 miles, it would actually shake a lot, and I was so disappointed. So what I did, and I hope that changing to another type of to another type of frame, which is another frame same as size as the Cinelog 25, I thought it was gonna fix it, but it didn't. It is a Foxwhoop 25 frame. And one thing good about that frame, from what I've seen on the internet, like YouTube, they claim that the frame is quite durable. And yeah, I think it's quite durable. And then I'm still unhappy with the results because it was still wobbly when there's winds. So that's the reason why I started building this frame. I call it RC Whoop 25 Micro. And the frame material that I use is carbon fiber filled nylon, specifically PA12-CF. But anyways, today around like 6 p.m. I tried it outside. It's actually on a baseball field, and there was some wind and the sunset was quite beautiful, so I was hoping that it would actually fly well, and yes, it did. Although I've been flying this quad here around my house because I've been trying to fine-tune the quad to make it fly really nice, and I was able to get rid of the vibrations. And yeah, so I'll be playing the video now. And this video is a raw video recording, with some color grading that I added using DaVinci Resolve. And the camera is a Cadex Polar, which is really nice for when you're flying at night. It captures more light as compared to the other ones. However, the one thing I don't like with Cadex Polar is that the default or the only setting is low latency. It doesn't have any like high quality setting in the goggles, which really sucks. I hate it. What else? Yeah, I don't know if you can see that I built a mount for the flight controller, and I was trying to figure out how to actually mount the flight controller, and I was able to figure out a way. There you go. That's a TPU. Okay. there's my name, and I'm thinking of changing my YouTube channel name from Neil Camera, which is my full name, to Neil FPV. What do you think, guys? Yeah, I don't know. And I'm gonna go back to FreeCAD, and then I'm gonna add a foot or feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 feet, or 9 legs. I don't know. It's called legs, so that I don't hurt the how do you call this? The screws. Anyways, guys, here's the video, and hope you enjoy it. Again, it's not stabilized. There's no device here that will capture gyro data, and I don't have an external camera yet. I'm thinking of buying Runcam Tom Pro 4K. What do you think? What's your recommendation, guys? I heard that GoPro Bones is about 56 grams or 40 grams. I couldn't remember. I think that's quite heavy for this. So I'm not a pro, so I think Thumb 4K from Runcam is good enough for me. Anyways, guys, here it is. Here's the video. Enjoy. Please comment. Thank you.
Living in a daydreaming too deep in too deep. I'ma give you everything, I'ma give you everything, forever everything. You want me, go no sleep, gonna keep it all G, on the same team, same damn team. Tell my body 6 feet, I'ma give you everything, forever everything. I'm not on the phone, Cadillac, die like a maniac, killer like Zodiac. Shop to your cardiac, till the end, got your back, even when you're gonna crash. I'm still gonna ride with you, ride with you, ride with you. You know I'd die for you, die for you, die for you. Put it all on the line for you, just to keep it bulletproof. Stay with me tonight, I'll be your alibi. I'll be your alibi. Ready for the backlash, Sarah Connor combat. I'll be back, I'll be back. I'ma give you all I have, I'ma give you all I have.